Hi there, Bob Mellon here, owner of Signature Pools and Spa, and we're Fresno's leading custom luxury in-ground pool builder. Back in 1979 when I started the company, folks in Fresno were just starting to understand the value of owning a pool. Fast forward to 2025, and it's clear that homeowners in the local area have come to recognize the benefits that pool ownership can bring, not just in terms of increasing the value of the home, but in improving their family's lifestyle. As a seasoned veteran pool construction company with hundreds, if not thousands, of pools built in the Fresno market, my company brings a few different things to the table. Number one is our expert ability to create customized designs based on your unique tastes and requirements. Number two is a focus on the details that matter and the organizational skills to keep you engaged through the entire process. Number three, the personalized attention that comes from dealing with a 45-year-old generational family pool business. Number four, and this can't be overlooked, is the turnkey and streamlined pool installation process we provide our customers. Lastly, but certainly not least, number five, the highest quality pool construction that will not only capture the essence of your dream pool, but provide decades of enjoyment because we build pools that stand the test of time. At the end of the day, what we do best around here at Signature Pools and Spa is bring families together. Want to learn more about building a swimming pool with our company? Feel free to contact me directly. Again, my name is Bob Mellon, owner of Signature Pools and Spa, a trusted member of this community who's been happily making pool dreams come true in Fresno for over 45 years.